Warmly welcome to Scampo IT Services and hope all is well. Alright, so throughout these tutorials, you are going to work with me on how to check call forwarding. Alright, so sometimes we won't know whether someone is listening to our course or alright, so whether your partner or anybody at all is listening to your course. Inside these tutorials, you are going to journey with me as I walk you through. Alright, so you just go to your dial box, okay? Your dial box. Alright, so the same you want to check whether the person is receiving the course from, okay? All right, so let's use this sim. So what we are going to doing is we just dial star hash 62 hash. Remember the code star hash 62 hash. Then you send. All right, so after sending, it will appear in a form of this. So you see someone is listening to my course. Someone has been listening to my course. So you see call forwarding to this number. Actually, it's my number. All right, so we have this sync, so it means that someone at this number has been listening to my call. So whenever my phone is not reachable, this number is going to receive the call. All right, thank you guys for coming through. This is how to check whether someone is listening to your course or not. For more, you can check inside this channel on how to enable call forwarding and other skills. Thank you all, and I'm out.